common causes for a hard start condition in the morning. What happens is there's a check ball in the fuel pump, and it causes the fuel pressure to leak down slowly overnight, and then there's no fuel pressure first thing in the morning, so it takes a little bit to start. Or the injectors could be slightly leaking, or the regulator could be leaking ever so slightly, and then again, it causes the fuel pressure to leak down. So I think that's what they're going to find, but I would still just pay them to go through and diagnose the problem and make sure that they replace the right part. If you want, I can send you a link that you can click on, enter your zip code. It'll recommend repair shops in your area that are Repair Pal certified.
Okay.
Yeah.
917.6.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll send it over in chat, and then you can click on the link, you can enter your zip code, and then you can look through. You might even recognize some of these that are in your area, and you might even be able to schedule an appointment with them online, right on the spot. So let me go ahead and send that over, and if you have any other questions or if anything comes up, all you have to do is just reply back online, and I'll be happy to help, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck, okay? All right, thanks a lot. You too. Bye-bye.